for the world, trying not to fall apart, giving pieces of your kindness until you forgot your heart. Every time you felt the silence, you filled it with someone else. But tonight there's no distraction, just you and yourself. No one needs anything from you. No one's calling out your name. This moment is finally quiet. You don't have to stay the same. Hold yourself.